Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Xiaomi in India, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So Redmi Note 9 Pro, we have already done the unboxing, the detailed review, gaming, all those things we have covered. Now we have the Pro Max variant. This has slightly different specification. What is that? It has a 64 megapixel camera. That's a rear camera when compared to the 48 megapixel shooter on the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and this also has 33 watt fast charging. That's another difference. So that's the two major difference we have on these two devices. Apart from that, it's mostly similar. It has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, 32 megapixel selfie camera, again what we said, 64 megapixel shooter. Then the design language looks quite similar. We have 6GB RAM and 128GB storage being offered on this variant. Again, this comes in different colors. So we have the Interstellar black variant, and again you can see 64 megapixel AI quad cameras included, 33 watt fast charger, 5020 mAh capacity battery, then USB Type-C port, UFS 2.1 storage, LPDDR4X RAM, side mounted fingerprint scanner, splash resistant splash proof nano coating is included, dual VoLTE with voice over Wi-Fi support, dot display with full HD plus resolution, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for front and back. So those are the features. Now let's unbox this device. So we have just received this box, so we'll just open this. So it will also come in different colors. So we have the black variant, so just opening up. So there you go. So we have this regular box which comes with the case. So you can see here it's a black case for the box. Then we have some information here. Let's see if there is SAR value. Many of you have been asking for SAR values. So let's see. Oh, sorry, there you go. So that's the SAR value. India SAR is you can see that body SAR is 0.475 and head SAR is 0.880. Now it has a triple slot dual SIM card and a dedicated micro SD card slot. So that's the device features. Now we also get a SIM ejector pin and the case included. Now let's see the device now. So just taking this out, and then we'll see what else comes inside. You also get this cable. You can see that this cable has a different color here. Generally it's like white. Now it's 33 watt charger, so you can see this is a different color here. Then this is the 33 watt charger you get with the box. So let's just take this out. So this is the charger. You can see that 11 volt 3 ampere, that's 33 watt, but it supports others as well, including 18 watt charging is also supported. So you can use this with other devices as well. 18 watt chargers are supported. You can see 12 volt 2.25 is supported. Then it also has 20 volt 1.35, that's probably 27 watt. So all those charging technologies are available here. Maximum is 33 watt, that is supported only on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Now let's have a look at the device. So this is the device. You can see this is the Interstellar black. In fact, this is not a black variant exactly. It looks like slightly bluish color. So this is the Interstellar black. So not from any angle we can see this as a black variant. It's more kind of bluish variant. Then we have the 64 megapixel camera. Along with that you also get the wide angle camera, macro sensor, and the depth sensor. Then you have the LED flash included. The camera unit looks quite good, and we have the Redmi branding here. Fingerprint scanner on the right side, volume rocker keys. This also acts as a power button. Then we have the SIM tray. It's a dedicated SD card slot. The top panel has IR blaster. The bottom section has the USB Type-C port, the speaker unit, and the 3.5mm headphone jack is also included. Now let's see the display. You can see that the punch hole camera is included here. Now let's just set up this device. So now we have booted the device, and you can see that the display looks pretty good. It's vibrant and colorful display, and this has the Gorilla Glass 5 support on the front and the back panel as well as on the camera unit. And the display quality looks good. It's crisp, and the viewing angles are also really good. It's the regular 60 Hz refresh rate, no 90 Hz on this device. We have the Realme 6 with 90 Hz and the Poco X2 with 120 Hz, but this is the standard 60 Hz refresh rate you get on this device. So that's the display. Now let's go to the settings, and let's see the about phone. So about phone, you can see the model number, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and the global MIUI variant 11.0.1, and the Android version is 10. So Android 10 is there out of the box. and you get the security patch level from March 2020, and you get all the other details as well. So this is the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage variant we have right now. So here are some camera samples we are taken after a quick unboxing of this device. So we'll be doing detailed camera review and gaming tests and all the videos soon, so stay tuned for that. Now this device also comes with a 5000 mAh capacity battery and the 33 watt charger, which we told already, and this is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor. So that was a quick unboxing and hands-on video with the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.